So let me just check the sound. Yeah, the sound is perfectly coming. So let's start. Yeah, so hello everyone. Today is 20th of November. And yes, let's discuss कि कल हम लोग क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं और फ्राइडे को क्या हुआ था. तो जैसे फ्राइडे को हुआ था तो वैसे ही हम लोग मंडे को एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे, राइट? जैसे फ्रेश पोजीशंस बना था. और द मेन थिंग इज दैट we have our monthly expiry this week. Okay, so please be careful. This week is going to be very volatile, and you have seen that already on Monday. That is, if you have seen like Nifty like at the end going down and then suddenly jumping up, so a whole lot of things happened. Okay, so yes, let's discuss why it happened. Okay, so now everyone can say looking at the end of the day data कि ये हुआ था वो हुआ था, ठीक है, लेकिन अभी तो मतलब कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, राइट? मूव तो हो गया. अभी जान के क्या फ़ायदा? फ़ायदा तो है, मतलब यू गेट द बेनिफिट व्हेन यू कैन ट्रैक इट रियल टाइम, राइट? ये जब मतलब रिवर्सल हो रहा था तो तब अगर आप पकड़ लेते तो दैट वुड बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल, राइट? आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ द डे उसमें क्या है, मतलब कोई भी देख के बता सकता है, कुछ भी स्टोरी बना सकता है, राइट? तो चलिए देखते हैं. तो इधर नवंबर 18 एकदम सुबह देखिए 9:31, ठीक है, पुट बाई इन बैंक निफ्टी, ठीक है. तो अगर आप बैंक निफ्टी को देखते एकदम सुबह तो ये थोड़ा ऊपर जा रहा था. So let's look at Bank Nifty. Yes, here. So Bank Nifty started the first red candle, okay, and then it started going up. Now while it started going up at 42,500, also put writers, I mean you would see that put writers are present because the OI is increasing. So on both the sides, like when this was the red candle came in the morning, the OI was majorly being built up at 18,500 कॉल साइड, ठीक है. और जब ये ऊपर जा रहा था सो कॉल साइड वॉज समवट डिक्रीजिंग एंड पुट साइड OI वॉज इंक्रीजिंग, ठीक है. लेकिन पुट साइड में एक्चुअली बाइंग हो रहा था. तो वही मैंने बता दिया था कि मतलब बैंक निफ्टी में पुट बाई हो रहा था. तो हम लोग ने भी मतलब पुट बाइंग किए थे. अगर आप मतलब मेरा ट्रेड्स और ये सब देखना चाहते हो तो मैं ऑलरेडी शेयर किया हुआ शॉर्ट्स में कि हम लोग सुबह बैंक निफ्टी में फिर पुट बाइंग लिए थे. फाइन. तो उसके बाद देखिए कि मतलब बैंक निफ्टी हैड आई मीन वेरी ग्रेट फॉल. तो मेन चीज़ था कि मतलब हाँ, मैं तो जल्दी निकल जाता हूँ. आप लोग को पता है, जो ट्विटर मुझे फॉलो करते हैं तो उसको सबको पता है कि मैं थोड़ा जल्दी ही निकल जाता हूँ. तो ये जब नीचे मूव आया तो आई एग्जिटेड. ओके, सो आई वॉज गुड विथ, आई थिंक इन दिस ड्यूरिंग दिस कैंडल आई डिड माई एग्जिट. सो येस, आई एम हैप्पी विथ माई प्रॉफिट्स, आई एग्जिट. ओके, बट येस, पुट बाइंग हो रहा था एंड वी कैप्चर्ड इट परफेक्टली, ठीक है. और निफ्टी भी मतलब नीचे जा रहा था, भारी कॉल शॉट्स हो रहा था 18,300 पे और सब उसके ऊपर. तो ये सब ठीक था. तो नीचे जा रहा था, दोनों इंडेक्स नीचे जा रहा था. सो बोथ द इंडेक्सेस वर गोइंग डाउन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन वाज व्हेन वुड द रिवर्सल कम, राइट? सो एवरीवन वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग लाइक मतलब नीचे ही जा रहा है, नीचे ही जा रहा है. सो आप अगर देखते आई मीन you see, I mean one after the other red candles were coming, right? So till you can also take this 11:15 तक मतलब ऐसे चला. और इसमें भी मतलब निफ्टी में भी 11:10 और 11:15 जो भी पकड़ लो, तो मतलब 11:10 to 15 तक ये डाउन मूव चला. तो एक के बाद एक रेड कैंडल आ रहा था. तो सब को मतलब लगा कि कहाँ से रिवर्सल होने वाला है. तो यही है कि चलिए देख लेते हैं. सो हाँ, विल डू सेल ऑन राइज इन निफ्टी, ये सुबह का था. तो ये देखिए, ये भी था मतलब 10:26 में निफ्टी में थोड़ा बहुत राइज आ रहा था. 10:26 इधर 10:15 10:20 to 25. हाँ, तो ये 10:25 to 10:30. तो इधर थोड़ा राइज हो रहा था निफ्टी में, ठीक है. तो 10:26 को मैंने बोल दिया था कि जस्ट सेल ऑन राइज इन निफ्टी. और फिर निफ्टी में देखिए कि मतलब इधर से कहाँ तक गिरा फिर 18,296, मतलब 18,300 ही पकड़ लो, इधर गया था, ठीक है। तो उधर से फिर गिरा मतलब 18,223, ठीक है। तो 80 पॉइंट्स इन निफ्टी इज़ अ वेरी नाइस मूव, ओके। एंड फिर उसके बाद देखते हैं, ठीक है। ये तो चल रहा था कि बियरिश पोजीशंस, ओके। And yes, now let's look at 11-17, the major I mean 11-17 में मतलब exactly मतलब मैंने कैसे रिवर्सल, how did I find out the exact reversal? So you see Nifty 18,300 premiums increasing more than it should be. मैंने ये जो concept है, so I have discussed it I think in almost all the videos in the last week, even in the on Thursday's video, that you just check the premium. If you see that there is a sudden increase, like if Nifty is going down and you see that the call side, I mean going down is not like going down by 10 to 30 points. I mean going down by 1 or 2 points or maximum 5 points. Okay, so going down and then the call side premium suddenly increased. Okay, so that's what happened at 11:17 PM on Friday. तो 11:17 को फिर ये देखिए, ये जो 11:10 है और ये जो कैंडल था, तो एग्जैक्टली ये जो कैंडल था 11:15 to 11:20, अगर आप 1 मिनट चार्ट पे भी जाके देखें तो दैट वाज द पॉइंट 11:17, मतलब हम लोग एकदम एग्जैक्ट बॉटम से रिवर्सल पकड़ा। तो ये क्यों हुआ था? तो ऑल ऑफ अ सडन व्हाई द प्रीमियम्स इंक्रीज्ड? तो रीज़न है क्या? कॉल बाइंग हुआ था, ठीक है, और 18,300 पे कॉल बाइंग हुआ था, और एक साथ मतलब आपका जो कॉल राइटर्स था, दे स्टार्टेड क्लोजिंग ह्यूज पोजीशंस, ओके। सो दैट्स द रीज़न, like suddenly the premium went up, okay, and yes, that's how we got the reversal. I have explained this concept in the previous videos also, so please go and check, okay. And we captured the exact reversal on that day, and then I left. So it was Friday, so matlab it I mean it would have been over trading after that, so I left, okay. So yes, the big guys have started booking profits. We 11:19, that was the update, and then I left, okay. So because why? Because even if you see that I mean if you go and check my this November month, so I have traded every day, and all the trading days are green except one, okay. Even on that day also I made 48k, more than 48k, but due to over trading I lost the whole thing. At the end of the day I was negative 2,000 or something, okay, but yes, that was due to over trading. Otherwise I would have been profitable in all the days, okay. So I mean out of all the trading days I have traded all the trading days, and I have made profit in every one of them, okay. So except one. So that's why I mean after that, like 2 consecutive days I over traded. So on the other day I just got saved. Again on the other day the profit was more than 45k, and I over traded, and it went the very next day. Yeah, so I over traded, it went to negative, and somehow then I was able to close it at 8k profits, okay. But yes, so that's the thing, like after that I stopped over trading. So after this I left, and then yes, now you see that they have started booking profits, okay. Now I also told that it's not like that हम लोग के जैसा नहीं कि मतलब ऑर्डर डाल दिया मतलब सब मतलब पोजीशंस क्लोज हो गया, ऐसा तो उन लोग का नहीं होता है. They have huge positions, okay. So something like 500 crores of positions, or maybe 1,000 crores of positions altogether, I am saying, okay. So prop decks and FII, so all together. So they need time, because when they are trying to close, so they can close either in 2 ways. Like suppose I am call short, so if I want to close, I need someone who is ready to take my positions as call writing, okay, or else the one that I have made the contract with, so I mean we both decide to close our contract, okay. So that's how it happens, like in 2 ways. So they need time to close those. So that's what I told, that they have started booking profits, and now yes, where did it so in phases they would be so I told somewhere, I don't remember. Yes, this is the one. The big guys have a lot of positions, so they need to close in phases. So there has to be like phase. It can't just straight away go up. So it has to again come down. They will close another amount of their positions, and like this I have already shown you, like even in the previous videos. Like here also you can see that it came down first phase, then it further came down second phase, went up, came down third phase, okay, and then finally it went up. Okay, so the same thing happened also here. First phase they started closing here, we caught it, we caught that reversal, then went up, again came down a little, second phase almost here, again went up, and the third phase was brutal. So third phase, and they again closed, and again it went up. But still, I mean, they had more than the position, much more positions during the intraday, which they were able to close, but still they have a lot of positions left to close. So now let's discuss those things. Okay, so let's go to the end of the day data. So end of the day data, if you see that futures, yes, and even like if you see here, even I told in the morning that in Nifty futures short in Nifty happening at 9:36. Okay, so mostly even on Friday, Nifty futures short was happening on Friday. Okay, so yes, the big guys were doing futures short, and at the end of the day, they middle of the day they started closing. Okay, so yes, that was also another important update on Friday. So now let's come and see. So if you see, like FIIs have somewhat like closed their futures short, but during the intraday they had made. Okay, so after that they closed. And also you see Propdex also have some extra future short. Okay, so they together did some more future short, but they closed at the end of the day. And FIIs and Propdex, okay, let's discuss about FIIs. So futures long positions almost the same, somewhat closed, and also future short somewhat closed, but almost the same. Okay, overall futures long is there. So and let's now go to the option chain. But option chain, you see that yes, future put writing also has been done. So we can't neglect this quantity. It's a very nice quantity, but yes, there is something else also, like futures option index. We have a huge call writing, and this call buying. So a little bit of extra call buying are there, but overall it's for hedging, and they have a huge call writing positions. Okay, so yes, they were having more than these call writing positions. Even the Propdex is having did huge call writing. Okay, and but here the main thing is that if you see, almost the call buying and the put buying quantity are the same. So they but you see call writing is much more than put writing. So there are a lot of put buying. Even on Thursday's video, we discussed while doing the end of the day data analysis that there were more put buying. Okay, so that's why, like, even on Friday when Nifty and BankNifty both were coming down, I wasn't surprised. Okay, so yes, that's the thing. So overall, like, see that if they are further making call writing positions or put writing positions, or they are booking their call writing shorts. Okay, call shorts, if they are booking profits there. So one thing is for sure, that is let's also discuss where they are, and then we'll talk about our strategy. Okay, तो strategy लेके अगर बात करें, तो अगर आप देखें तो मेनली जो शॉर्ट पोजीशंस बिल्डअप हुआ है, तो निफ्टी में वो 18,400 में बिल्डअप हुआ है, और उसके ऊपर भी मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा कॉल राइटिंग हुआ है. 18,500 पे भी और 18,300 पे भी कॉल राइटिंग हुआ है, ठीक है। और द थिंग इज दैट 18,300 पे भी कॉल राइटर्स बैठे, तो 18,300 के ऊपर आके क्लोज दिया है निफ्टी ने 18,307. So if Nifty opens flat, there is a very nice chance to go for call writing. Okay. So the thing is that call writing, matlab, there can be two things. Okay. First, index can come up and they would try to confuse you, like their call writing positions, they would show you that we are closing or something, because OI would be decreasing, because जो retail traders है या weak players है, they would be exiting if there is some up move. Okay, and then finally again they would be taking the index down, because they have to they have to close their positions in profit. The second thing is that with some amount of up move, then suddenly it will come down, or it will come down in the very beginning. Okay, so that's the thing, like either way it's going to come down, and call writers would be finally, like, since they have to close their positions in profit, so you will also be profitable. Okay, so that will be my strategy for tomorrow. And yes, for put buying opportunity, like if it's if there is some up move, then you can go for put buying, because then you know that finally it has to come down. So there you can, option buyers have a chance if there is a gap down, or like it opens at 18,250, then put buyers doesn't have any chance. Though call buyers can have some chance, but call writers can have some chances, but option buyers, you can't buy calls because it can further go down, because they have to close their positions in profit. Also you can't buy put, because if it doesn't go down further, then if it doesn't give a nice move downwards, you will be at a loss. So that's why if there is an up move, then just sell on rise. Okay, so that would be the strategy. And for Bank Nifty, mostly the positions are at 42,500. So the level that we discussed even in earlier videos also, that 42,500 to 42,050, this level would be acting as resistance. And yes, for option chain, yes. So if you see for Bank Nifty, 42,500, sorry, here 42,500 call writing has been done. Okay, and below there will be a somewhat resistance at 42,000, but not a huge OI. So 18 lakhs contracts are there for now. So yes, 42,000 to 42,500, this would be the range for Bank Nifty. Either way, it has to break one of these levels to give a nice move. Okay, so let's come. Yeah, so this is the, let's go to 1-day chart. So this is the narrow range, like Bank Nifty is trading for quite a lot, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 trading days Bank Nifty has been trading within this range that we talked about, 42,000 and 42,500 to 550. Okay, so even like we saw here in this narrow range also, we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 trading days in this small range. So yes, Bank Nifty is trading in this small narrow range. One of these have to be broken. Okay, and yes, so until unless 42,500 is broken, we can go above and do call writing in Bank Nifty. And for Nifty, again, as we discussed, that this is the very, very important zone, like 18,335. So even you see that it came to 18,000, near to 18,335, and then it stopped. Okay, and when in the morning it crossed 18,335, it got resistance and there was a very nice fall. So ये जो लेवल है, इसके ऊपर अगर निफ्टी रहता है 18,335, then we are expecting all time high again, as I said earlier. अगर इसके नीचे रहता है तो we can go for call writing as long as Nifty is below 18,335. So for now, tomorrow in the first phase, we can expect that 18,335 would act as resistance. Okay, but yes, again in the second phase we have to see. Okay, so because this is monthly expiry, anything time can change, the data can change. You have to notify what's happening. You have to clearly see what is happening in the morning. Like on Friday, though put OI was increasing, we did track that bank nifty put buying was happening and also future short was happening. So you have to exactly, don't look at the OI majorly. Okay, so OI is deceiving. So nowadays OI is deceiving. So do look at the other data also, volume, IV, and option Greeks, and all those things, and also futures data, and then decide. Okay, so that's the thing. Like you have to be very cautious. This is a monthly expiry, so market will be volatile, not to say that. And yes, so we have been also seeing this Nifty is trading around this level 1 2 3 4 5 6. So all these 6 levels. So 18,335 is now a very favorite zone for Nifty. So again, if it comes down, so then below would be 18,100 to 18,000 would be the support zone. Okay, so don't expect that a very huge fall would come and Nifty would go to 17,500 or 17,000. Okay, because they have the FIIs have futures long positions, huge futures long positions. So yes, I am not saying that there is always there is a probability they can do huge put buying and then take it down. But yes, but we shouldn't be like that. Then we'll see what's happening. But as of now, don't expect that 500 to 600 points fall. So both the sides you will be seeing move, like even on Friday. Okay, and yes, try to see the premium change and also try to see the levels that I have already told you, and that would be very much for tomorrow. And yes, so that's the thing. And yes, you see, even like on Friday also, when Bank Nifty was going down here, the score did not go down. Okay, so that was indicating like they were booking profits, the big players were booking profits. And yes, finally Bank Nifty came up. So blue one is the index and the red one is the score. And also for Nifty, the same thing happened. Like I daily upload them on the drive, so if you can also go and check there. So yes, and also here like XGX Nifty 18,338. So if XGX Nifty is at 18,338, so Nifty can open below 18,300. But again, we will have to see where XGX Nifty is before opening, or what happens at the opening. Yes, another important update would be like why FIIs are selling. Okay, again DIs have started buying, but FIIs have sold. Like one day they have bought again, but 3 days they have sold. So this is one of the major questions again, rising, and overall market also like declining is rising. So we have to be very careful. And yes, so if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. Yeah, hi Bitbull. Is there any specific setup of yours to monitor premium and IV change? So as of now, like it would be very hard for a machine to track that, but I am thinking to develop some algo so that a machine can also track it. But what happens is like it suddenly jumps. Okay, so even like it within a span of second, like in microsecond it happens. But in microsecond you don't get the data. Okay, so I mean, if it happens in 1 second or 2 second interval also, then also we might be able to capture it through machine. But it's happening like in microsecond. So let's see. I'll think about it. Like But the thing is like if you want you have to get the data in 1 second interval. Okay, even 2 seconds won't work. So mostly like you have to fetch the data at 1 second interval and live data, and also you need to check the premium, like with respect to the index you need to check the premium. So I mean that's how you can like track or catch them. Yeah, hi Bitbull, hi Hitrendrashi. So I think I have pronounced your name correctly. If not, please do consider my apology. So yeah, hi Shujit. Sir, M and M view please. So yeah, I have uploaded. I think you're talking about the PNL. So I have uploaded it here. So in the video, and sorry. Yeah, good afternoon everyone. And yes, even if you look at Nifty, so here you see that though index was falling, but the score, I mean, did not fall as much as the index. So though it fell some, but not I mean in a huge manner. And in Bank Nifty it was very clear, like I mean the score did not even fall, though there was some fall in the index. So yes, so together with these two we can like capture the reversal. So even like if you see the scores at 11:19 onward, so you see 11:19 onwards, you see there is a jump in the score. You can very well see like here. So that's how like even my machine is capturing. But the thing is that I mean since it captures I mean many data, so since it happens like in a freak of second or something, so the thing is like I can't be sure like from which part the move came, like why the score increased. But here if you see like even like I mean though Nifty was going down at this moment, but you see the score I mean they were increasing. So the thing is that I have to develop some other system for it, but let's see, I have to think. But if since it's happening at microsecond, that's why it's very difficult to track. So you just have to track it with your naked eyes. Oh, so sorry, Shujit. Yeah. So Mahindra and Mahindra. So you see, I don't have time to track stocks. I'm very sorry for that. Like you see, I have many research projects and everything going on. So I also teach people for like maths Olympiad and everything. So I have some other works also. So that's why like I just track these index Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I have made these indicators that will also help me to track every data. Like I won't get time to go and check every data, so that's why like these indicators track every data regarding these Nifty and Bank Nifty, and gives me a score so that I don't have to waste time in so much and so many data. So that's how I save my time currently. And yes, I also keep my trading setup very simple. I have already shown you all many times, like I mean if you go and track many data, so again you can't you have to give the time to everything in many form, I mean in many time frames you have to check and everything. So there are a lot of constraints regarding using indicators. So that's why like I keep my trading setup also very simple. So that's how it's all going. But yes, if like in future I'll be thinking about stocks, and I'll be making these indicators for the stocks as well. But currently I'm trying to make these indicators live. So once it's live and it's working perfectly, so I mean there is no indicator, or my indicator also won't work perfectly. Like there can be nothing in the stock market which can track everything. So Yes, we should accept that fact. But yes, I mean, if my indicators are working, I mean, nicely, like for in the live, while it's live, so then also like I'll then extend it for the stocks also. And yes, so then we can even track the stocks as well. Like we don't have to even waste our time. So we can give alerts to certain stocks where more activity will be going on, and so on and so forth. Like you can even do that. There are many platforms which does that. So I don't think that's a big deal. But yes, for particular view, I am not uh, trading in stocks. I'm not following. So I'm sorry about that. So yeah, so if you liked the video, please do like it. And yeah, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. So one thing I have already shown you, like even like Skadosh asked me on Thursday's video to show practically like how these premiums are increasing when. So yes, I so he's a member. So yes, I showed the members that yes, we can track it. And yes, currently my Twitter account is logged. So uh, nothing I can do. Like I tried to post my order list on Twitter, and suddenly it blocked me, saying that I have violated the rules. I don't know why. I have posted my order list uh, many times in the past, and I don't know why they suddenly blocked me. I have been complaining, like I have been. So if I accept this, what happens is like, uh, I mean, I will be giving my, I mean, very hard work. I'll be posting all the hard works on Twitter, and if again such things happen in the future, so my account will be closed. Okay, due to Twitter's error. So, but that's why I'm waiting for their support. Like I have appealed, but they are not responding for quite a few days. So, still I would wait rather than putting all my efforts over the years and then getting my account closed due to no reason. So yeah, so I'm not, that's why I'm not being able to post on Twitter. So yes, so I'll try to post on I mean YouTube. So even like I think yeah, Skadosh, so last video you asked me, so I have shown you practically like how the premiums, sudden increase in the premiums can help us catch the perfect reversal or some up move or down move, or also can help us to track whether the big guys are booking their profits or not. Uh, yes, so November there was only one raid. I just discussed that. Even on that day, I was at 48k plus. Due to over trading, I lost and I ended up at negative 2k. Also, the next day I was plus 45k, and then I over traded, and then like it was last week on Mondays and Tuesday. So the second day also, like I then for from 45 plus, it went to negative 10 or something, and then I somehow managed to close it at plus 8. So then after that day I just did not overtrade. Like on Friday also you saw, like I left because after catching the down move and then the perfect reversal, I left. Okay, so I mean that's how we should like be. Like over trading kills, like over smoking kills, so over trading also kills. So you need to work on it. I find it little confusing to track if they are exchanging positions with retailers working on it. You see, all you can like say when sudden increase in the premium, so all you can say is that you can expect whichever side the premium is increasing, you can expect a move on that side, and you can take the advantage of it. Okay, so what's exactly happening, for that you have to track from the last day or since on Friday fresh positions gets formed, so you have to track from the morning what fresh positions got formed, and then you can say why it suddenly like increased. Okay, so even like what's happening is that sometimes you would see that call writing has been done, everything is fine, you are also call shorts. Okay, but suddenly you'll see sudden increase in premium. So it's what is happening is they are punching a huge call buying order and taking the premiums up by 10 to 15 or sometimes 20, and then they are suddenly closing. Okay, so this is also happening. And sometimes on Thursdays what they are doing is, on the expiry days, what they are doing is suddenly punching orders. Okay, and then 2 to 3 rupees premiums increase their closing, or sometimes even 1 rupees premium they are closing on. Especially I have noticed this on the expiry days. Okay, so please be careful. Like I mean, things are getting harder. Like as technology would improve, things would get harder for retail traders to trade. Okay, so we have to be very careful. But yes, whichever side the premium is suddenly increasing, the move is coming for sure. So that's what is happening. Like, so I think some algo trading, some big guys have started doing some big algo trading, and that's why this thing is happening. Like I started observing this like past week, like in the previous 2 weeks. Okay, so and I notified all of you on YouTube also. So or even on Twitter I gave the post. So the thing is that it did not happen previously. Suddenly it started. Like again, I mean, when many would recognize these patterns, so again this pattern would vanish, and we have to figure out what's the new pattern. So for now this pattern is working, but again be careful. Like this pattern is not going to last forever. Somehow, like I have figured it out, some others will figure it out, and then everyone will, most of them will know it. Okay, and then that pattern will be, they will do it to deceive us. Okay, so be careful. But yes, now it's working fine. So let's see how long it works. RSI is a little overbought, hence the market is not being able to just break out. Ideally I would like to cool down a little bit before the up move to justify the route to 18,600. Yeah, you see that it's not about RSI, it's not about anything. Many times we have seen that RSI is over in the overbought region also. Bank Nifty or Nifty is like every day it's making gap up and making like consecutively it's making gap up, though RSI was at the top. Okay, so it's not about that, it's about many people have started doing call buying. Okay, so everywhere people are shouting that we are going to see all-time high, and any day we can see all-time high. So like since Nifty is at 18,300, all-time high is at 18,600, so 300 points, right? So it would be like a very nice move for the call buyers. So everyone is doing call buying, and the big guys are nothing but they are just taking the advantage. They know everything, they have our data. What do you think? They don't have it. Like officially, even you can't prove they have it, but unofficially they have a lot of data about us, they have a lot of data about the market and everything. Okay, so once they have these billions of rupees they're trading, so they have inside information, so you can't help it. And you know how, I mean, in India it's very easy like to compromise. I mean anywhere anyone can be compromised. So it's not like I mean, I shouldn't say this, but yes, things should change, system should change in the future, but yes, anyone can be compromised. So that's why like I mean, that's why we are not seeing. Yeah, indexes are getting trickier to trade. Do you track FinNifty? No, I don't track FinNifty. Like because I mean, I have seen like some of the big Twitter handlers, they have posted like the premiums are like not good for writing. Okay, and suddenly the premiums rise, and it's not good for writing. So uh, yes, so that's why like I mean, I don't trade in FinNifty, and the thing is like in futures, let's see if FinNifty also like goes right, everything goes right in it, so then we'll trade. But for now, like, to make your career in stock market, I think Nifty and Bank Nifty is like enough. Okay, but I fear in the future when, like, even like on Thursdays, we have just seen 18,400, oh, more than 200 lakhs contract OI was there. Okay, so in the future, if this goes to like 400 lakhs, so yeah, 400 lakhs or 500 lakhs. Okay, so you can see like the huge participation. So then the index would like be moving abruptly. Then it would be very hard to like even trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But that's still like 5 to 10 years from now. Maybe also achievable in 5 years, but we for now 1 to 2 years we are like good enough to go with, I mean, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So it's enough. Two indexes are enough to make a career. Okay, so that's why I'm not concentrating on FinNifty, and also FinNifty I've heard that I haven't personally tracked the premiums, but once I saw that the premiums are not good enough to go for writing. Okay, so yeah, that that should be all the updates for today. So yeah, manipulation would go on, you can't help it. So all we have to do is who are manipulating, we have to track them, and we have to go along with them. So that's the only solution. Like people can raise their voice, but that would be temporary, and again the system would come down to where it was. So that's how it goes on. So I mean, strict regulations and everything are there, but again, if someone is not following, then I mean, anything can be bought with money. So I mean, there is a price to everything. So that's why I mean, I shouldn't say all this, but yes, you know the real truth, you know what practically happens, and you have seen like I mean, there has been so many documentaries and everything in Netflix, on Prime, Amazon. So you know how things goes on at a very higher level. So yeah, that's the thing. So okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. So that will be it for today. Yeah, I'm glad SEBI is trying to crack down on so-called influencers. Time to filter most useless ones. Yeah, I saw that for stock manipulations, they are restricting stock predictions, but let's see how well that goes. So I mean, yeah, mostly like they would be like for the ones like they who have 1 million, 10 lakhs, more than 10 lakhs followers. But yeah, they're also trying to stop the Telegram channels and everything. But let's see what happens. I mean, I don't know what the rules will be imposed, but still it's not clearly, it's not out yet. It's just a speculation, but let's see what the new rules and how they are going to bring it, and how they are going to change everything. So yeah, we'll see to that. So for now, yeah, that's it. So nice chatting with you on Sunday. So yeah, I think that's it for today. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one. So bye.